move them with the bar like this. Okay, but this one is not too much dirty, it's just clean, so use this just. Then after bend it, then also use this one
For remaining of
no, just inside where we can't see. You see those holes inside?
okay.
Place it and place. So one of us will do it after. And also, it's the time you get chance to make, you have to do this. Okay, just simple. Then bend it, clean our grinder well.
Overfilling the machine. We are there. We are there, right?
Yes.
Down there to allow for expansion. Fill the machine up to 3 or 4 times full to allow for expansion. To allow for expansion. To allow for expansion. Fill the machine up